Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Ronke. I do beauty, lifestyle, and honestly vlogs here and there. This is my Marley twist tutorial, and this lock and braid gel is the best if you have locks. I used about 8 packs of hair. However, I did run out of hair at the end and had to use another pack of other hair that I used. I like this Marley hair because it is exactly the texture of my hair, so it looks so seamless. Now, I have another Marley hair tutorial on my channel. However, in this Marley hair tutorial, I used a different method, which I wanted to show you guys that I learned from watching other people do Marley twists with locks. Now, first of all, aside from retwisting my hair, you can tell that I'm also tucking my hair into the lock, and I'm also adding boho pieces. We all know like the boho braids are in, and as a lock girly, I could still have that look without doing the whole style. I feel like I could actually do the whole style if I wanted, honestly, but I love a good Marley twist. I just love the poetic justice vibe, so this is down my alley. Now, for a detailed tutorial, which is what I'm trying to do here, that's why I slowed it down, I moved it backwards. Retwist each of your locks. Retwisting each of your locks is going to give you a simple, clean look. The way I retwist my lock is I put my braiding gel. By the way, that lock and twist gel is only $7.99. Also, all the products that I use and all the hair and everything is going to be linked in the description box so that you guys will be able to get it if you want it. And I love that this color matches my hair color to the T, because most of the time my hair fades ginger, but when I first dye it, it looks more red. Anyway, so now that I have retwisted the lock, the 2 locks, I wet it. Wetting your locks is going to make it easier for you to twist, and it's going to make it blend more with the hair. I'm showing you guys that I use the whole length of hair, meaning that instead of folding the Marley hair into 2, you use the whole length of hair, depending on the length you want. For me, I did past knee length, but if you don't want it that long, you can use the length and use the Marley hair as you want. Now, this part is very important. You want to make sure you tuck your lock inside of the hair. Tucking your lock inside of the hair, what it does is it gives it a more seamless blend. I know it takes a little bit of time to kind of like adjust, because I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling when I first started, but when I got used to it, you can tell I've done a couple. When I got used to it, it was so much easier. You have to take your time in the front of the hair just because you want it to be neat and everything. Now, this is the method I was talking about. Instead of using 2 pieces of Marley hair for each twist, I use 3. So I add a piece of folded Marley hair to the end of my lock to blend the end of my lock really well, and also to maintain a stable thickness from the top to the bottom of the hair. I don't want my lock to be bulky at the top, or my twist to be bulky at the top and then at the bottom it's like tapered. So because I want it all in one uniform size, that's actually why I added the 3rd piece. So for each of these twists, I used 3 pieces of hair, which is actually why I ran out of hair pretty quickly, because I realized that, I used more hair than I usually do. I thought I was okay with 8 packs, but I ended up using 1 extra pack, which means altogether 9, just because I wanted a specific thickness. Also, like I said, the boho-ness, I added a little bit of the free tress hair in the same color 350, because this hair is in the color 350. I love color 350 because the copper ginger is always gonna hit. I feel like I'm actually going to keep this hair and dye my hair and then put it back in. Or I might just buy more, because honestly it wasn't actually that expensive on Amazon. I might just buy more because I really love this hairstyle, and I feel like this hairstyle is gonna eat when I dye my hair. Right now my roots are showing, and I feel like I'm about to take it out so that I can re-dye my hair, and also so that I can do some Halloween looks. What? Before I dye my hair, I'm going to do some Halloween looks. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do Halloween looks on my channel or not, but yeah, this style took me 2 days, and I started at I think like 7 p.m. on Friday. 7 p.m. Friday, 95 degrees. I know. No, I'm so sorry. Okay, I started 7 p.m. on Friday, and I ended Saturday at 2 p.m. and it was pretty cool. I definitely have a very certain amount of dedication. It is super long, like I said, past knee length. All I did was watch movies and twist, twist, twist. I had the determination to do this, which I haven't had the determination to do twists in a while. So anytime I have that determination, I'm like, okay, let me go. I was in the bathroom, I was on the couch, I was just doing it everywhere. That sounded weird. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway. Anyway. I'm so sorry. Okay, but look at how it turned out though. And can we get into how I am actually doing this Vlogtober thing? Like, this is actually my 4th video. So if you guys don't know, I'm going to be doing Vlogtober. Instead of doing every single day, I'm going to do 4 times a week because I genuinely don't know if I can do every day. I do need rest days. So next week, I'm going to have 4 videos up. So if you have any videos at all that you've ever wanted Ronke to do, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know how you like this style, okay? All right, guys, have a great weekend. And yeah, bye.